with it? Where'd you put the tools? Oh, you forgot. I need the tools for it, love. So I can take that head off.
Oh, okay.
I've got to have the whippersnipper tools for that. I don't remember where you put them.
I think it's in your shed.
Oh, my shed.
Yeah.
Right.
You have a look and see if it fits. Some people say need to change something or not, I don't know.
Yeah, I need to take this off.
Only take this off?
Yeah. Look at all this shit.
It's from America.
America. Must be good if it's from America.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I trust it. It has two.
Yeah, from America. What we're going to have to do shortly is going to have to put the trailer down the back. I'll put it down the back with my car. We'll have to because you're going to have to let people park up in the driveway here.
Yeah, I know, and we will do the frame for the driveway.
Yes. I'm just thinking where they're going to park when we do that. Is it?
这条小路现在已经基本上完成，我只需要在周边把这些边上把它打结实来，因为都是黄泥，所以用黄泥把它打结实来，在砖的上面、路面上那些空窿填上沙，等天气好的时候，我再铺上一层水泥，不是很厚，薄薄一层水泥，那就算完全完成了。好，现在午餐时间，拜拜。